Get ready for your smoothest skin ever. I'm here to help you achieve the best results in the safest way possible. There are a few essential things you should know before you get started. If this is your first time using Lumi, please watch this video in its entirety because this info is important. You can also follow along with the user guide you received with your Lumi. Always refer back to this video or the user guide to refamiliarize yourself with the features of your Lumi. Lumi is a light-based device that's designed to help you achieve permanent hair reduction at home. It is important to remember that although this treatment requires consistency and some time to see results, you will achieve permanently silky smooth, hair-free skin with little to no upkeep. Lumi was developed with a focus on at-home safety. To protect your skin, Lumi has a double glass filtration system that filters any potential UV rays. To protect your eyes, Lumi's pulses only activate if the flash window is completely covered, so no protective eyewear is needed. That being said, we recommend that you avoid looking directly at your Lumi as it pulses. Please make sure to read through all safety precautions before starting your treatment. After reading, it's time for your smooth skin. Before starting, it's important to shave any visible hair in the area where you will be using Lumi. Shaving is an important step in preparing your skin for IPL treatment. Shaving takes your hair down just enough to prevent burns while leaving the root intact under the surface. Other forms of hair removal, such as waxing and tweezing, remove the hair root entirely, inhibiting IPL treatment. That being said, if the area you're treating is already hairless and smooth to the touch, shaving isn't necessary. If you're planning on using your IPL device on your face, we recommend dermaplaning before treatment. Don't worry, it won't be long before you can kiss your razor goodbye. Next, make sure the area is completely clean, dry, and free of any lotions or gels, as you want to use Lumi on bare skin. Once you plug your Lumi in, you should see one indicator light at the top start flashing. Now you can hold the power button to turn it on. When Lumi is on, the indicator light will stay solid. The power button is also used to select your intensity level. Just quickly click it until you've reached your preferred intensity level. 1 is the weakest, 6 being the strongest. For your first time, we always recommend starting with intensity level 1 and working your way up slowly after each session for the best results. To start, place Lumi flat against your skin in the spot you wish to treat. You should now see the indicator light start to blink. This means it's ready to pulse. You can now click the pulse button and your Lumi will pulse. That spot has now been treated and you can move Lumi to the next spot. It's recommended not to overlap spots. Repeat these steps until the entire area you're treating has been covered. It's that easy. We know that not all body parts are equal. Some require more precision, while others are larger, flatter, and can easily be done quickly. That's why we created 3 separate speed modes you can choose between, all with the goal to make your hair removal journey as easy as possible. Beauty made simple is our mission, after all. Stamp mode. In this mode, the Lumi pulses with each individual click. Stamp mode is perfect for precise areas like face, underarms, and down there. Glide mode. This mode is activated by holding down the pulse button while Lumi is in contact with your skin and gliding it across the area you wish to treat. Your Lumi will pulse every second as you glide. This allows you to quickly treat larger areas but still have control over pulses to easily manage any curves. Glide mode is great for treating areas like your arms and torso. Complete body treatment can be done in 30 minutes with the glide mode. Auto mode. Auto mode is activated by holding the pulse button while Lumi is away from your skin. You will notice the intensity light start blinking. This means auto mode is activated. Your Lumi will now pulse every second as long as the flash window is completely covered by your skin. This allows you to quickly treat larger areas effortlessly without having to hold or click any buttons. You can disable the mode by holding down the pulse button away from your skin once again. This mode is perfect to treat your legs, back, and stomach. To turn off Lumi, hold down the power button until the intensity lights turn off. Unplug your Lumi. To clean it, wipe the glass with a clean, dry cloth and 70% alcohol or warm water. Do this until any and all specks of dirt have been removed. Once finished, air dry it and store it in a cool, dry place. We recommend using the box that it came in. It's also recommended to moisturize your skin right after each treatment to keep your skin hydrated and looking great. Aloe-based lotions work best for use post-treatment. We've created one specifically for this case. It can be found at RoseSkinCo.com/lotion. We recommend using your Lumi once a week for 12 consecutive weeks. If you prefer, you can use it up to twice a week for faster results. After the initial 12-week treatment period, use your Lumi once a month for 3 months, or as needed. From then on, you can use your Lumi for touch-ups whenever you spot any new hair growth, typically once every 2 or 3 months. What kind of results can I expect? Is it permanent? Most customers notice a reduction of hair growth after just 3 or 4 uses, and then complete results after 12 uses. Some people experience complete and total baby soft hairlessness after around 12 uses and throw away their razors for good. Others sometimes require touch-ups beyond that, and that's fine too. Lumi's 30-plus year lifespan allows you to do as many touch-ups as you like, for as long as you like. As long as you use your RoseSkinCo IPL handset as directed, you'll enjoy a permanent reduction of hair growth. Where can I use Lumi? Just about anywhere. You can use Lumi on your legs, arms, bikini area, and anywhere else you have unwanted body hair. But if you're planning on using Lumi on your face, we recommend staying below the cheekbones. Does Lumi hurt? Unlike other types of hair removal, Lumi is basically painless. No clenching your teeth, nicking your knee, or ripping anything off. On higher settings, those with sensitive skin may experience some discomfort, but sticking with a lower intensity level makes treatment very gentle. Lumi has 6 intensity levels to choose from, so you can find the perfect mix of comfort and strength. Is it safe? Short answer, yeah. IPL is a popular, well-researched option for safe and effective permanent hair removal. Lumi itself is certified for safe at-home use. Also, all UV rays are filtered to protect your skin. Will Lumi work for my skin tone and hair color? Yes, most likely. IPL actually works best on dark, coarse hair since it uses pigmentation to target the hair follicle. But that being said, it may not work as well for certain skin tones and hair colors. Lumi requires contrast to work its magic. Use the chart to see if Lumi will work for you. What if it doesn't work for me? All Lumi handsets come with a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee for 90 days. If it doesn't work for you, send it back and we'll refund you in full. Lumi also comes with a 1-year warranty, so if your Lumi stops working for any reason, we'll replace it with a brand new device for free. Lumi is the future of hair removal. Get ready for smooth, hair-free skin that stays that way.